Okay, I'm not sure you guys heard the video, but the motor was running really good, it's running smooth. I think we had the starter chinging on the flex plate a little bit. It was running super smooth, running nice. We thought we could just pull it off and get it ready for the customer. We checked the oil and there was water in the oil. We used the good Felpro gaskets with the printer seal on them, but we think one of them, like this side, might have been leaking right by the water port near the bottom. And they're all brush tacked on and stuff, and the good seal gaskets. Don't see why it should have leaked, but I don't know, it could be the way my year's been going for luck. But so now we got the intake off, we got to drain the oil. I hunted down some more gaskets. We're going to try and change them and see if that was the problem. All the ports look good. They don't look like, I mean, it doesn't indicate that we got a blown head gasket anywhere, and I wouldn't think we would have. It never got warm, anything like that. It's got the performance Felpro head gaskets on it, ARP bolts. So what we'll do is we will just maybe leak it down, and so we'll get our leak down tester out and leak down the cylinders. We're not expecting them to be zero or anything right now because the rings wouldn't even seated in this motor yet. But we just want to make sure that we don't have anything else going on. Nearest we can tell, for whatever reason, it decided to leak maybe in the bottom corner or something of this and into the intake. So don't really get it, whether it's just my luck this year or what, but the motor was running so smooth, probably one of the smoothest running engines we've had on here for a while. So anyway, we'll be back.